Open. Good morning to you. Can you hear me, Pa? Anyone respond in online? Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So today, what we are going to discuss. So hope you check that one image the students have shared in the WhatsApp group. It's about antibacterial activity of that silver nanoparticles. Yesterday we prepared the silver nanoparticle. The students has put a antibacterial activity of that particular Petri plate. Okay, Pa. Hope you can hear me again. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone respond? Can anyone respond? Whether can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. So today, as we shared in the WhatsApp group, there is one Petri plate. Yesterday, they prepared the silver nanoparticles. They used to perform the antibacterial activity. That's why they inoculated with staph aureus, Staphylococcus aureus, a gram-positive bacteria. They inoculated along with the gentamicin as a positive control. Hope kindly see that image. You can get clarify. In the Petri plate, the Staphylococcus aureus along with the NC in the sense negative control. Just they put the prepared silver nanoparticles in the DMSO. DMSO is a very good solvent. After that, they take 1 ml. 1 ml, little bit concentration they take because they are doing somewhat new work. That's why we don't know which concentration will give the antibacterial activity. Listen. So, as per your Petri plate, the NC in the sense negative control, it doesn't show the antibacterial activity. That gentamicin 10 mg, it shows very good antibacterial activity because it's commercially available drug. On the other hand, AgNO3, they take 1 milligram, very little bit quantity they take, but there is no expected antibacterial activity was get yesterday. So what we interpreted, there is some problem might be arising in the preparation of the drug. That's why today what they are going to do, they're going to sonicate that silver nanoparticle. What they prepared yesterday, they used to sonicate the sample, the probe sonicator, that I will show you how they are going to sonicate the sample. Then we are going to, I will explain you what are the other things they planned today, right? Can you hear me again? I move to another device. Is it clear, Pa? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So today our plan is So now the another work is in progress. It's about yesterday they prepared the chitosan from the crab shell, as I already told in the PowerPoint presentation. This is said to be that the students prepared acetone. What is percentage? So as per the literature, crab shell was soaked in the hydrochloric acid, which leads to the removal of calcium carbonate. Then they treated these decalcinated crab shell into the sodium hydroxide solution for the deproteinization. Then they wish to add the acetone as per your literature. The acetone doesn't do any major impact, just it has to change the color. That's why we have to treat that crab shell into the acetone solution. They prepare the acetone solution. Next, what I want to plan, this deacetylation is one of the important steps of the chitosan production. Deacetylation is said to be the preparation of chitosan from chitin. Hopefully, the chitin might be produced. It is said to be the chitin. Chitin, it is one of the polysaccharide. When compared to chitin and chitosan has wide application, rather chitin. That's why that chitin has to be broken down into chitosan. It's said to be the acetyl group has to be broke. Breakup of the acetyl group is not an easy task. It is toughest thing because chemical bonding. The acetyl group is a chemical bonding. For the breakdown, what we are using in general, not only in our lab, most of the laboratory, just they have to take the tripod stand under a flame. They have to give a vigorous heating. Along with some people used to perform the sand bath also, sand bath. By using the sand bath, what happens if you keep the things under the boiling a sand bath? What happens due to high temperature? Another thing, we have to add 50% sodium hydroxide. Kindly you check your literature. 50% sodium hydroxide means high concentration of the alkali. With this high concentration, high amount of heat leads to the breakup of beaker. Sometimes that the soil will be detached with the beaker. We can't be able to take the beaker outside. This kind of difficulties might be arranged. But we did with this difficulty, we perform some research. That's why what we are doing in this internship, we do on novel work by using the probe sonicator. Just we want to deacetyl because due to that high sound waves, this comes. Actually, you are already aware that the usage of the probe sonicator is only for the nanoparticle dispersion. In general, most of the laboratory they are using for the production of silver nanoparticle from the silver nitrate, gold nanoparticle from gold chloride, zinc nanoparticle from zinc oxide, cerium oxide nanoparticle. Accordingly, they are performing. What we are doing in our laboratory, as I already told, chitosan also nowadays preparing as a nanoparticle. For this purpose, what our lab at this time we planned it. Instead of using the high temperature, the high alkali, we are using the physical method. We have to deacetyl that chitin to form the chitosan. What may happen to the high sound waves? There is the breakup of acetyl group leads to the production of chitosan. In the other hand, if the prolonged sound waves leads to the preparation of small chitosan, which is said to be a chitosan nanoparticle. This is your ultimate task. We try our level best for the rest of the days up to our internship. Daily, what we planned, as I told to Mr. Bharat, also daily come and simply switch on that machine. Just we have it set that probe sonicator. Show here. F1 means just it will start. The F1 leads to start. Just we have to open that chamber. We keep our solution inside our probe sonicator. We plan to work out for 4 to 5 days with this sample for the expectation of the preparation of chitosan nanoparticle. Chitosan, it is our expectation. It is our innovative approach we are planning in this time. Preparation of the chitosan nanoparticle with the help of probe sonicator in the absence of machines. Sorry, in the absence of chemicals. Routinely, I can share you my experience in my PhD work. I have prepared the chitosan from the crab shell with the help of various chemicals. Up to we are using sodium hydroxide high concentration, 50% sodium hydroxide we are used. This time we are going with the help of sonicator. We are going to prepare the chitosan. Our another expectation is that prolonged interaction with the probe sonicator leads to the chitosan nanoparticle production. We try our level best, and after the end of the work, we plan to check the size of this nanoparticle with the help of the scanning electron microscope. It is the only one available. If things are going in the right path, as per our expectation, as per our utilization of the probe sonicator, if that nanoparticle shows the size of 50 to 60 nanometer, we feel happy that our expectation get fulfilled. We get succeed an innovative approach. Kindly go through the literature. There is no one has been prepared the chitosan nanoparticle with the help of the probe sonicator. We are trying our level best in this innovative approach. If things are going the right path, the chitosan nanoparticle will be prepared. Show it in segments. Chitosan nanoparticle will be produced with the help of probe sonicator. Just I switch on the machine. As I already just you have to click. You can hear the sound. This is the sound leads to the sonication sound waves. Like our plasma vehicle, silence is already installed. You can hear a little bit more, but extra ordinary sound is created. These sound waves leads to the destruction. There's always the machine will be set as on time and off time. 10 minutes it get 20 minutes it get on, 10 minutes get off, because otherwise this also leads to the breakage of the beaker. So our expectation, we are preparing the chitosan nanoparticle. At the end of this program, we are going to assess it by using the sophisticated analytical instrumentation technique known as scanning electron microscopy. The size of the chitosan below 100 nanometer, we get chitosan nanoparticle with the help of probe sonicator. This is today we have planned to do some research. Already yesterday's work we are going to continue antibacterial activity. Then we are going to proceed with antifungal activity. As shown yesterday, the DPPH, they are going to check the scavenging activity today. Another thing, they bring some plant, as I told yesterday, pond. What's the English name? Metal leaf. They brought. In the place of sodium chlorohydrate, they are using that plant material as a reducing agent. Just they bring from a nearby shop. Hope you are aware about that. On just what I fragments that I also or share the photo in your WhatsApp group. Then we have to use the Martin pistol. You have to take a plant extract sample by mix with the ethanol. Ethanol is a very good solvent. The ethanol did. Ethanol will take the all take the ethanol extract. That is 10% plant. So in the absence of sodium chlorohydrate, we are going to add in plant extract for the nanoparticle. This is our plan. In the other hand, in the end of the day, what we are planning to check the as we prepared yesterday the silver nanoparticle, we are going to assess the what nanometer it shows. As per the literature, it shows what nanometer? 383 as per the literature set. Just we want to check whether we prepared the correct silver nanoparticle or not by using the photometer. These are all the things we discussed today. After that, so they are prepared acetate for the production. We kept the sample inside here. For the chitosan nanoparticle, they are repeating the silver nanoparticle preparation because yesterday results were not encouraging. Then they are going to prepare a plant extract by using the ethanol extract followed by saxilate apparatus. One of the another important apparatus because is it set up the burn? No. After some time, I will show you the what is meant by saxilate apparatus, how it helps us to the preparation of the plant extract. Up to this, I will complete that session. Remaining, I will show you little later. Closing. Thank you.